So I've had my DJI Avata 2 for a month now, and after the first 2 weeks I crashed it, and I'll show you the damage later in the video, but I'll explain how my first month of this thing went. I actually love the DJI Avata 2, and flying it with the RC remote is super fun. I like just waking up early and going to different places, and there's no one there, and flying this thing around. It's pretty fun. The video quality is really great, and the RC remote's super fun. I've been practicing flying FPV with liftoff on Steam, so I can fly this drone with the FPV remote. This drone's surprisingly nimble. Here I'm flying it with the FPV remote 3 with the goggles 3 that pair with the Avata 2. I started getting more confident pretty quickly, and it kind of feels like Star Fox N64. If you're familiar with that game, this thing's just so fun to fly around. But I ran into a tree, like I showed at the beginning of the video, and I'll show you the damage pretty quickly here soon. So here I am feeling more confident, zipping around. And I kind of do like this footage. If you like FPV footage, I'm probably going to be posting more, so subscribe if you like this. But this is where I got too confident and crashed, essentially just trying to make too tight of a turn. Bam, I hit that tree and cracked the frame. There's stress fractures on the frame. I tried to fly, and I'll show you how it looks here soon. So when I found the drone after the crash, the guard had fallen off like this, and you can see that there are some stress fractures / cracks on the frame. That little white mark is a stress fracture, and it's actually cracked right there, ever so slightly. So I'm grateful I had this on, and also this. It still flies completely normal, thankfully. I think if I hit another thing there, that's donezo. So be careful with your Avata too. This thing's expensive. It's so fun to fly around, but you gotta be careful. Where I hit inside of that frame is actually, there's an antenna in there, so if you really smacked it, it would break the antenna, which is just an antenna wire. So overall, the drone is fine. It just has a crack in the frame. You can buy new frames on like DJIOEMparts.com, which come from a Chinese distributor, taking apart drones and reselling them. You don't want to break this thing and take it apart. Trust me, the videos of people taking this thing apart are not fun to watch. So take care of your drone. Mine still works, thankfully. Appreciate you watching this video. Follow along, Chunky Audio.